rolling green hills, empty cul-de-sacs, bright plastic slides. These are some of the calling cards of the visual aesthetic known as dreamcore. It's one of these fairly played out online styles, full of liminal spaces, suburban imagery, and a nagging sense of dread or disquiet. But like a lot of visual styles that proliferate online, and with something as vague as dreams at its core, dreamcore can feel fairly played out, possibly in need of a soundtrack to really bring that visual style to life. Well, if it did have a soundtrack, it might be something like this. Crossing Bridges' release Dreamcore OST meanders down those perfect cookie-cutter cul-de-sacs, taking influences directly from the tenets of the aesthetic itself and melding them with an originality in melody and instrumentation. Somnambulist bells droop and try their best to stay awake. Fizzling textures scratch at that VHS nostalgia itch that resides in the back of your mind. Those memories that may have just been a strange kids' TV show you spent hours in front of. The dreamcore aesthetic can be a little bit predictable, but this tape breathes new life into the visual style. But don't dream of taking my word for it. That's Crossing Bridges' Dreamcore OST on Forest Kids Collective. Close your eyes, have a listen, and see what happens.